Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send large videos in WhatsApp. So it's very easy and simple. It's not like you have to send directly the videos in WhatsApp like you do, but it's a different method, but it's very simple. I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So let's say you want to send a video, but you need to just select photos and you send it like that. But first up, you need to go to your photos app and find the video that you want to send. So for me, I just want to send this video. So what you have to do, just tab, and then you'll see the share icon on the video. Just simply press on that, and you gotta scroll down until you find the option of save to files. Just simply press on that, and once you do that, you gotta find where you want to save the video. So you can either save it on downloads, and you can find somewhere else to download it, but you just gotta put it somewhere in your files. So I'm just gonna put it right over here, and you can also create new folder if you'd like to, but for me I'm just gonna go ahead and press save right over here. So once the video is saved, what you have to do is just go to WhatsApp again, and you just gotta choose the contact that you want to send the large video to, and you just need to press on the plus icon and then press document, and then just simply press on choose from files. Once you do that, you can see the video right over here, and no matter what its space or size is, you can directly send it. So I'm just gonna select the video right over here and then just press open. Once I do that, here as you can see, I can just directly send the video. Once I press on it, here as you can see, the video is being sent now. And once the sending process is done, you can just directly open it, and it won't lose any quality or anything compressed. It's gonna be crisp like that, the video that you just sent. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you, and I'll see you soon in the next one.